Hello everyone. Today we will see a simple Python program for addition of two numbers by two ways. First by simple addition and second by taking input from user. So let's see by simple addition. Syntax for adding two numbers is normally print function and then the numbers which we want to add. Suppose for example if we want to add 2 plus 4 and if we run the program we will get the output as 6. And again if we take another example as print 55 plus 99 floating numbers, that is decimals, print function now 4.66 plus 3.44, again run the program, we will get the output as 8.1. One more example, print 99.77 plus 54.345, and again if we run it we will get the output as 154.115. Now we will see the second method by taking input from the user. Now for taking the input from user we need to store it in a new variable. So we will first declare a variable a and assignment operator. Now as we are taking the input, so we need to declare the input function. In input function we need to display some output to the screen. So for displaying a message we will write it in double quotes and enter the first number. As we are taking a number we need to declare it, the data type of it. So for declaring the data type we need to write int now we have to take the second number. Same as the first, we will declare another variable b is equal to, as it is also integer type, again int, and we are taking the input from the user input and then double quotes, enter the second number. Now we want to add this, we will take third variable c is equal to a plus b, and after that print c, and if we run the program it will ask for enter the first number. So suppose 4, and again enter the second number as 8 and enter, we will get the output as 12. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any query or suggestions, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.